guys, Kevin Spangler here. We haven't been in the shop in a while. It's been a bit. But we got the F250 here and the F550 here that we've been working on. I've dubbed this one the Prius Eater, if anyone's following me on social media, Facebook mainly. So it's more of my personal page actually, so probably not. But I've dubbed it as the Prius Eater here. Check out this front bumper. It's not the coolest front bumper, it's more for work than play or anything, but it'll work. Get a little bit more clearance here for tires and stuff. The guy that goes out, does remote soil sampling and stuff here locally. 12,000 pound winch will go up front here. Full side protection all the way down. Backs off, I've already started welding on that. Rock sliders, fenders protection here. Here's the rear bumper right here. All 2-inch quarter wall DOM tubing stuff. Quarter wall plate there also. Not really the prettiest thing, but it's more for it's all for work. That's like what he said. He's like, just get it done, get it for work, get it done, get something that'll work, and that's what we're doing. It'll do the job for him, I'm sure. But this thing here is pretty sweet. We made this flatbed. It's basically done. We just got to wrap up a couple things and then get it painted. Got the headache rack up here. It bolts in, so it's be removable. I think next we're going to build a fuel tank that goes back here. So when he pulls this off, and he can put a fuel tank right there in its place. One of the ideas that we were kicking around that he had. Full-blown Kilgerman air ride suspension here, front and rear. Let's see if you can see that in there or not, but everything's installed here. In the back here, we got our spot for our camera mount here, a little bit of protection here so nothing runs into the actual lens, hopefully. Stuff. Got our fuel filler in the back. But these boxes are massive. This is one of the reasons we built this. All 4 boxes on here are all the same. They're all 30 inches wide, or they're 30 inches long, 20 inches deep, and 14 inches tall. Hardware here. I always try to open it the wrong way. It's been a small child in here. But those boxes. Oh, thank you. I thought I put the air ride stuff in there. We got some welding left to do here on the rear bumper and then start welding on everything else. But I think we probably need to start welding here. Oh! Time to get some welding on. Woo! One of the easiest ways to make your ride stand out are on the dead ends. Clean up the ends a little bit, are these tabs. Just place them on the end of the tube, weld them in, seals it up. Clean this end up a little bit still, but we usually like to put these right on the ends. We usually go a 1/4 inch smaller than the tube size. That'll give us a nice spot to do a nice Phillip weld right there. And not the right size here. These are 1.5 inches. This is 2 inch, but give you an idea on these ones. They stick out a little bit more versus a flat one. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below what projects you're working on out in your shop, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.